I made a free-to-use open-source tool for viewing machine-readable files. What's a machine-readable file when it comes to healthcare price transparency? Think of it like this. Imagine you had a giant phone book with every single doctor, hospital, and medical service listed, along with what each insurance company actually pays for them. Now, instead of being written in paragraphs or a brochure so you can flip through, it's stored in a computer-friendly format, kind of like a giant spreadsheet. These files are not meant to be read by humans directly. If we go to one of these files and we try to download it, we'll even find that it's so large that it would take 20 minutes to download a zipped up version of it. So that means I have to unzip it, which makes it larger and uncompressed, and try to store that on my computer. Lots of phones only have 32 gigabytes of storage. Unzipped, this will take up at least 32 gigabytes. And so I couldn't even keep this file, this one table of contents file on my phone. For even more context, table of contents in a textbook might be 2 to 5 pages, 2 to 10 pages, but there might be 500 pages in that textbook. And so in the grand scheme of things, while this file may look extremely large, it's not that large relative to price transparency data in general, and you're going to have a really hard time opening and visualizing these files. This is really, really not legible though, because as you see, all of this file contents are on one line, and it doesn't even load the whole context because it'll crash. I clicked show more and this is lagging and I can't even see the file. And there we go. Window terminated because it crashed. I made a free to use open source tool for viewing machine readable files. It's really simple to use. All you do is download the MRF data from whatever payer that you want to view data for. Put it in a folder and drag and drop the folder on your terminal. Then you can enter a number to select the file that you want to view, and you can see all the data in that file. You can use the arrow keys to go forward and back and check them out. And you can also search with context. So you might want to select an MRF file to view and search for a certain procedure code that you're interested in. This is an evaluation code that is very frequently billed across all specialties. And you can use this to see the rates negotiated for these providers under these NPIs. Keep in mind, there are tens of thousands of MRF files for every single insurance company, and there's many insurance companies. So it's really important that you map out the structure, program a solution, and get parsing. Let me know if you have any feedback of what you'd like to see improved in this tool, and feel free to download it, use it, and contribute to it on the GitHub repo link in the description. Thanks, everyone.